Have you ever wondered what a Hotpoint washing machine H20 error code means? Well, look no further. My name's Matt from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you to fix your appliances yourself. If your Hotpoint washing machine is not filling with water and it's displaying the error code H20, this could be down to a number of factors. It could be a closed tap. It could be a kinked inlet hose, it could be down to low water pressure, or it could be a blocked filter. However, it could also be a broken or faulty inlet valve. In this video, we'll showcase how to go through each and every one of these scenarios and, if necessary, how to identify and replace the inlet valve. Let's take a look. For this video, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a bucket or container. Safety first, always make sure you turn off an appliance and disconnect it from the mains before carrying out any work. The first thing to check, which is very simple to do, is your water supply. Ensure that your water supply is on. If that's all okay, the next thing you can check is the inlet hose. Remove it from the machine and give it a good check over. Make sure there's no blockages or any damages to the hose itself. If you're happy that the hose is fine, the next thing to check is the pressure level. To check the pressure, first turn off your water supply, then remove the inlet hose from the washing machine end and instead place it into a bucket. Turn the supply back on and inspect the flow of water into the bucket. If you note that the water flow is reduced, for example, you just see a trickle, then there is an issue with your water supply rather than the washing machine. However, if you can see that the flow of water is regular and steady, it is likely that the issue lies with your water inlet valve. One last area to suspect before replacing the water inlet valve is the water inlet valve filter, which is located at the back of the machine here. These can get filled up with debris and gunk, so give that a wash before then looking at the inlet valve. To access the water inlet valve, we need to take the top of the appliance off. To do this, you need to undo the two Phillips head screws that hold the top in place. Next thing you need to do is to remove the electrical connections from the inlet valve. Push back on the tab and they should lift out. You can then undo the two screws at the top using your Phillips head screwdriver. Next, undo the screw at the back of the cabinet, holding the inlet valve in place. With all the screws removed, gently reach inside and grab the water inlet valve. Lift up the dispenser housing to release the hoses and then wiggle the valve free. When ordering a new water inlet valve for your Hotpoint washing machine, it's essential that you have the correct make and model number of your appliance. This is to ensure that you're getting the right part for your machine. Now, if you don't know where to find the model number on your appliance, check out this video here that will tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new water inlet valve, you simply push into place at the back of the cabinet, like so, and then ensure that the two hoses in the water dispenser housing fit nice and firmly in place in the water inlet valve. Refit your electrical connections. These simply push back into place, and then you can replace the top of the appliance. So there we have it, how to fix a Hotpoint washing machine error code H20. Hopefully your machine is up and running once more. If you're having any problems with error codes from Hotpoint or Indesit machines, check out our video here that will help you how to identify the error codes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, appliance repair guides, care, maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.